So something that seems simple but can be overlooked is what is a customer? So a product exists to solve a problem. Typically, and especially when I say customer, I'm going to be speaking about the people who you're solving the problem for. But do recognize that sometimes you're going to be solving a problem for people who are not going to be paying for your product. For example, if you're building something for a manager of a company and he has employees, or he has team members, he might care that his team members have a tool so that they can do what they need to do, but he's not going to be using the tool. His team members are going to be using it. And so when you're building your product, the customer, the paying customer, is probably the customer, the manager, and perhaps probably the business. But the customer, in terms of who's going to be using your product, are going to be those team members. So keep that in mind. When you think about, when you're in product management, you have to think sometimes multidimensional. You have to think about, okay, who's going to actually be using the product, who's in charge of going to be paying for the product, who cares about how well this product is impacting the people actually using it. Those are some of the big picture things that you're gonna have to think about. So the word customer, depending on who's using it, it could mean multiple things. But when I use it, typically it's going to mean the people directly using the product.